Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to find when you joined Facebook. So in order to find the date when you joined Facebook, first of all open Facebook app on your mobile device. Now once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the top right corner just beside the notification bell icon, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. Now from here, tap on your name below menu option. Now once you come to your profile, scroll down below and you'll see this option that says see your about info. Tap on it. So now once you come to this page, scroll down below and under profile transparency, you'll see the creation date, which is 18 January 2024 for me. You can tap on this option of see all. Now over here you'll see profile history. Under profile history you'll see profile created, which is the specific date given when I had joined Facebook. So follow these easy steps and you'll simply be able to find the date you joined Facebook. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.